girl. For numbers is your math paper. It is a lot of cutting and a lot of gluing. And the numbers are not in order, so you will have to sort them into the right place, the right box. Each number has 2 matching cards, a 10-frame match and a picture of leaves that are falling. So the first thing, it does tell you where to cut. Here's a little scissor picture. Cut across the line. Put your paper back down so you know where to go. And then I'm going to show you an easy trick underneath. I hope you can see. Lining it up, I'm going this one cut around the big rectangle of the dotted line pictures. And then all I'm going to do, I have it now, I'm going to cut it down again in half, right down the middle. And watch how easy it is to just cut. And make sure you're cutting on that dotted line so you don't cut any of the pictures in half. Whoops. There are a lot of pictures that can get lost here, so we want to make sure we're carefully cutting and putting them aside. You do need your glue to glue them to the squares. My glue always gets up. There it is, and always tries to walk away from me. So I'm putting them below, and I'm going to need a leaf one again and a 10-frame one for each number. And you're just going to put the glue into the squares. Oh my goodness, I can't get the glue cap off. If yours becomes stuck like mine, it might be time for a new glue again. I hope not. Here we go. Putting a little bit of glue underneath the 3 because I'm going to start there and try to find the one that has 3. Luckily, I found it pretty quickly. 3 leaves are here. And I know that this is 3 on my 10 frame. Try to always glue the top filled in first. Remember that. We don't want to glue them upside down. Then what number do you have here? 8. And you know what? If you find something that fits somewhere else, you might want to glue it down when you find it. That's fine. Because you're going to be counting and gluing a lot. Like we know this one is filled in the whole thing. So I know that that's 10. And I'm going to put that right. Just because it came up, it was right there. I'm going to say, oh, I'm going to fill that one in right away. 5 and 5 is 10. Here I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. I know that that goes here. So it might just come easier to glue them as you find them. That's fine too. Either way, you want to do it. The leaves up top and the 10 frames down low. 10. Now I need to find 10 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Careful counting. That one looks like 9, but there's 10. And then I went back to make sure, and I actually could see the cluster of 9 here. It's hard for underneath the camera, but it's 3, 3, 3 in each row. And that I know right away is my 9 cluster. Here's my 9 on my 10 frame, 5 across the top, 4 on the bottom. 8 has 5 across the top, 3 on the bottom. 5 and 3 makes 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to find the leaves that have 8. And 5 and 1 more makes 6. Which then I know 5 across the top right there is 5. And 4. And my last one has a cluster of 5. Easy peasy, 5 leaves. Make sure to put your name, and you can always color if you have time to color in the leaves if you would like. Name. And then always practicing with your pencil writing. Your numbers is good handwriting practice too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that